Here are the two schools for tonight's show, Charlemont High and Spalding High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Charlemont High is represented by Ashley Finley, Brandon Buckley, Tawana Spalding, and Captain Akeem Dunkley. While Spalding High is represented by Alger Clark, Chevelle Allen, Wayne Wallace, and Captain Jadon Bennett. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the 20th match in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Theresa Easy for the arts. Now it all comes down to this. High schools across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Charlemont High won and sent Spalding into bat. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock. We begin with Spalding. Mathematics. What is the simple interest on $8,000 invested at a rate of 5% per annum for 3 months?
That will be $25.
Incorrect. And Charlemont, mathematics, what is the simple interest on $5,000 invested at a rate of 3% per annum for 6 months?
6 months, $75, $75. $75.
That's correct. Spalding, this is your question. That's correct. And Charlemont, local affairs, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Casamura.
Correct. Spalding, history, in what year was the Battle of Hastings?
1805.
Incorrect. 1066. History for Charlemont, which battle of the 100 Years' War was fought just north of France on October 25, 1415?
Wait, no. Battle of Agincourt. Battle of Agincourt.
Correct. Music for Spalding. Listen to the clip and give the title of the song.
Fall in love.
Incorrect. Bye bye. Charlemont, your music question. Listen and give the title of the song.
Take my heart.
Incorrect. It's not right, but it's okay. Physics for Spalding. The density of carbon dioxide is 1.8 kg per meters cubed. What is the volume occupied by 5.4 kg of carbon dioxide?
That will be 10.
No, 3 meters cubed. And physics for Charlemont. The density of oxygen at room temperature is about 1.3 kg per meters cubed. What is its density in G per centimeter cubed?
1300 gram per cm cube. 1300 gram per cm cube.
No, that would be 0.0013. Theatre and cinema for Spalding. Look at the monitor, identify this actress.
Audrey Hepburn.
Incorrect. Elizabeth Taylor. Theatre and cinema for Charlemont. Look at the monitor, identify this actress.
Catherine Hepburn. Catherine Hepburn.
Yes. And Spanish. This is for Spalding. Give the equivalent English proverb for a todos les llega su momento de gloria.
A man takes all the glory.
No, every dog has its day. Spanish for Charlemont, give the English or the equivalent English proverb for borrón y cuenta nueva.
Charity begins at home. Charity begins at home.
Incorrect. Let bygones be bygones. Spalding, sports, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Paul Gasol.
Correct. And sports for Charlemont, look at the monitor, identify this person.
DeMarcus Cousins.
Incorrect. Cahi Leonard. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. And the scores are Charlemont High on 4 and Spalding are now on 2. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns right after these messages.